Hey everyone, can't send or receive MMS on your Aldi mobile? Don't worry, I have got the fix. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps to get your MMS working again in no time. Let's dive in. To resolve Aldi mobile global roaming issues, ensure mobile data is enabled and the signal strength is good. Restart your device, verify APN settings, ensure sufficient PAYG balance, and confirm your plan is active. Why Aldi Mobile MMS not working? Incorrect or misconfigured APN settings, weak signal strength affecting MMS transmission, exceeding the 2 MB file size limit for MMS, insufficient PAYG credit despite having an active plan, temporary network disruptions or congestions. Fix 1. Ensure mobile data is enabled. Ensure mobile data is enabled as MMS require an active data connection to send and receive messages. For Android, swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick settings, then tap the mobile data icon to toggle it on. For iOS, swipe down from the top right corner to open Control Center, then tap the cellular data icon to enable or disable it. If mobile data is enabled already, toggle it off and on to refresh the signal. Fix 2. Restart your device. Restart your phone to refresh the network connection and resolve temporary glitches affecting MMS. For iOS devices, press and hold the power button or power plus volume down button for newer models until the slider appears. Drag the slider to turn off the device. Wait for 10 seconds, then press and hold the power button again to turn it back on. For Android devices, press and hold the power button or a volume button until a menu appears. Select restart or power off. If you choose power off, wait for 10 seconds, then press and hold the power button or a volume button to turn it back on. Fix 3. Ensure PAYG credit. If on a prepaid plan, verify that you have enough PAYG credit as some MMS services may require it despite plan inclusions. Open your message app, type balance and send it to 590 to get the usage details. If you see plan data remaining is low or a zero, you have to recharge the plan or add extra data to continue the service. If plan has expired, you have to recharge it to continue the services. Method 1. Using website. Log into Aldi mobile app, go to dashboard by clicking your number. Look for an option to add extra data from dashboard. If plan expired, go to manage account. My services, then go to recharge, then select appropriate plan option to recharge the plan. Method 2. Using app. Open your app and log in. Tap dashboard icon in the bottom left corner of the screen. Tap add button near add extra data to add more data to recharge plan. You will see a recharge option. If you scroll down, click on it and select your plan to complete purchasing. Fix 4. Verify APN settings. Confirm that your device's APN settings match Aldi Mobile's recommended configuration as incorrect settings can block MMS functionality. Name mobile data APN amdata.net.au. If this doesn't work, try telestra.internet. MMSC http mmsc.mdata.net.au 8003. MMS proxy 10.1.1.180. MMS port 80. MMS protocol IPv4 or IPv4 or IPv6. MCC 505 MNC0. APN type default DUN supple MMS. Leave the remaining fields blank. For Android, open settings, then go to network and internet, SIM card and mobile network. Select your SIM access point name plus sign, add a new APN details. For iPhone, open settings, then go to mobile services, mobile data network, then go to edit APN settings. Enter the Aldi mobile APN details and save the settings. Then toggle it on to enable it and restart your phone. Fix 5. Check signal strength. Ensure you have a sufficient signal strength as a weak coverage can prevent MMS from being sent or received. Go to Aldi mobile coverage page, input your address in the search bar, click search icon to get the details. If you have a good network connections, try moving to different location to improve signal quality. Fix 6. Reset network settings. Reset network settings to clear configuration that might block MMS functionality. For iOS, go to Settings, then General, then go to Transfer or Reset iPhone. Reset network settings. For Android, go to Settings, then System, then go to Reset Options. Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile and Bluetooth, then Confirm. Fix 7. Check file size limit. Ensure the MMS file size is within Aldi Mobile's 2 MB limit. Larger files will fail to send. To check the file size of an MMS attachment on Android, open the file in your gallery or a file manager, tap on Details or Properties and check the file size listed. On iOS, open the file in a Photos or Files app, tap the Info button, that is I, to view the file size. Fix 8, try again later. Intermittent MMS issues, like those described, can occur due to temporary network congestion or a carrier side delays. A simple fix is to wait and try sending or receiving the MMS again after some time, as the problem often resolves itself when the network stabilizes.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.